Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you a very important technique which is used to speak fluently, confidently and naturally. If you want to speak fluently and confidently without studying grammar, use this technique. This technique is very powerful, which has helped my thousands of students to develop their fluency and confidence. So at the end, I will tell you what this technique is and how this technique will help you to develop your English. If you think that your poor English communication is due to grammar, then you are wrong. There are many people who know all the grammar rules. They are perfect in grammar, but they can't speak confidently. On the other side, there are some people who don't know much grammar, but they are very confident speaker. It's not the grammar that's the problem, it's the confidence. That's the main issue. We have fear of English. That's the main issue. Dear friends, another problem we have is we have weak emotional personality. We get hurt very easily, we worry a lot, we get angry quickly, we are not able to make decisions properly. This is the sign of weak emotional personality. If you want to work on your English communication, your soft skills and your confidence, then I have developed a completely different course. The name of the course is English Communication and Confidence Therapy. This is a program which I have designed from my 17 years of experience and my practicals. Friends, this is not a very common course where grammar is taught, but this is a completely different, unique course where I used psychology and my experience to train the students. But before telling about this course, let me tell you who I am. I'm a PhD in Cryogenic Engineering. But my passion is to train students for English communication, soft skills and emotional personality. I'm doing this since last 17 years. Well, I have helped thousands of students to develop their English communication, their confidence and their mental toughness. Now, before telling about what is this course about, let me tell you what is not there in course. This course is not a grammar course. In this course, I'm not going to teach you grammar. Grammar you already know, and grammar is not important for communicating confidently. Number two, this is not any online which is a recorded course where a video link is given to you and you have to download and see. No, this is not a recorded course. Number three, this is not any short-term course, shortcut course where you will be Superman in one day or in 1 month. It's not like that. This is not a course where you will be given 80% and 90% discount to attract students. It's not like that. We have a fixed course fees. This is not a course which is an app-based course. This is not an app where you can speak in English in 21 days or 30 days. It's not like that. Then what is this course all about? This course is a live training with me personally. It is a live training with me. And this is a long and rigorous training program. Second thing is, this course will give you permanent solution for your English communication problem, for your confidence problem, for your emotional problems. So this is not any shortcut course. This course contains a lot of psychological techniques which will help you to speak confidently, to communicate confidently and to be a good public speaker, be a good presenter as well as be mentally tougher. I get hundreds of emails every day. For that, I'm going to conduct video conferencing session with them. And after that, if I feel you have the hunger to learn, only that student will be selected. So friends, all the information is given in the description. Read the description, email me, my team will contact you. Well friends, I am working in the field of soft skill communication and emotional personality development since last 17 years. What I have observed is students do not have a problem with the grammar, but the real problem is something else. They have three problems. See, the number one problem they have is they have fear of making mistakes. They have fear that people will laugh at them or judge them. Number two problem they have is lack of confidence. They are not sure about their English, whether they are speaking right or wrong. These are the two main problems. These are psychological problems. And number three problem is a technical problem, which is called as a language development problem. What is this third problem? This third problem is your ability to develop grammatically correct sentences naturally. Now, as far as these two problems are concerned, number one, number two, And these are psychological problems. I have made videos about them. Links are given here. Watch these two videos. These videos will help you to come out of those psychological problems. Now, let us focus on the number 3 problem. What is the number 3 problem? The number 3 problem we have is we aren't able to construct grammatically correct sentences. Now, most of the students, what they do is they study grammar books. They do lot of cramming, lot of learning by rote and try to mug all the grammar rules. That's not going to help you. Friends, I'm not saying that grammar is useless. Grammar is important in school. When you go to school, grammar is very important. Grammar introduces English to you. So by using grammar and by reading comprehension, that is English, you develop your language. But when you are just old, when you are adult, if you go and study grammar, it's not going to help you. Then how to develop these sentences? How to develop the language? Well, see, understand this equation of fluency. This equation is very important. First, English fluency is equal to reading daily. Here, English habits are important. Number 2, listening habits. Number 3 is audio visual habits. And number 4 is speaking habits. Now understand one thing. I have made video about number 1, that is reading habits. Number 2, listening habits. Now this is number 3 video about audio visual techniques, and number 4 is speaking habits, which I will make a video later. Now here understand the whole concept. If you want to be a good communicator, good habits are very important. I have given a link here about English habits. This video will help you to understand the habits of great communicators. Great communicators have great English habits. If you can develop those habits, you can be a great communicator. Now, let us talk about the third method, which I told you, that is audio-visual technique. This technique is very important. You have to use audio and video simultaneously to develop your language. See, understand one thing. When you watch a video, audio is there, video, that is pictures, are there. Therefore, you are using 2 senses to develop your language. As I told in many videos that language develops from senses. We have 5 senses. One is listening, another is eyes, another is touch, another is taste, another is hear. Well, out of these, 2 senses are very important, that is hearing and watching. These 2 senses are used for developing a language. We have to expose these 2 senses to English. Now, what I mean to say is this. You have to watch English videos regularly. Let me tell you which videos to watch. Well, I will not say that watch any video, but what I feel is watch easy to understand video, number 1. Number 2, watch videos which will help you, which will develop you, which will help you to grow in your life. What I believe is what you feed your mind every day is very important. Don't feed any junk. Feed something healthy. Well, I will recommend you 2 types of videos. One is some positive spiritual based videos, and second is knowledge based videos. For spiritual based videos, positive videos, you can go and watch Sadhguru's videos, you can watch Gaur Gopal Das videos. These videos are very nice. You will definitely enjoy as well as improve your English. Number 2, knowledge based. Well, there are many. Google Talks. Awesome videos are available on Google Talks. These videos, they invite all the keynote speakers and they share their knowledge. Second, well, I will say, like, you can go with Josh Talks. That's awesome. They invite speakers who tell about their life journey, their success and their failures. Third is TED Talks. TED Talks is a wonderful platform where all the great communicators, inventors and idea creators come and share their experiences. Well, yours truly was also on TEDx. You can go and watch that video. Some good videos are there. We can say, like, very nice podcasts are there. One I remember, Jay Shetty is there. Another is Tom Bolive is there. Links are given in the description. You can watch these videos. They are fantastic. So you can choose any video to watch. But the next question is how to watch these videos. What are the steps while watching these videos? First thing is start a video and use earphones. Do not use the speaker phones, use earphones. You will be able to hear very nicely, very crispy voice. Now, while listening, watch carefully and subtitles will be there. That's all. Continue doing that. You're listening, watching and reading subtitles. Now, don't pause the video. Don't pause. Do not pause and go and check the words in the dictionary. Don't do that. Just go ahead with that. Just flow with the video. Understand the word, understand the pronunciation. Okay, if you don't understand the meaning, don't worry. Now, why I'm saying this? Because if you stop here, you will break the continuity. I want you to watch this consistently. Now, words which are difficult, these words must be collected by reading. Link have given here, reading habits. When you read and develop the vocabulary, you will understand the word, its meaning and its pronunciation. Once you understand that, and then when you listen the video, you will be able to understand the video properly. All of you are getting it? So these are the two important steps. Watch, listen, subtitles. Don't stop. Go ahead continuously. Initially, you will not understand, but afterwards, when you read regularly, you will understand. Is this clear? Okay. Now, after doing that, believe me, I'm not saying that you will be able to speak fluently. No. You will develop one method. But fluency development is a combination of three things. Number one, psychology, your mindset. I have made some videos as I told you. Go and watch those videos. Number two is theory. What is the theory? In theory, I have told you the equation. Okay? Just that is the theory. Number three is practical. Practicals are very important. You have to use in practice. You have to do practicals about what you know. Otherwise, knowledge plus no action is equal to garbage. So friends, this is what I wanted to tell you. Use this technique. Very powerful, very effective. Last point I want to tell you. It's not going to be easy. It takes a lot of consistency, lot of discipline, lot of patience. Only by doing this once a week, twice a week is not going to help you. Consistency is the key. You have to follow this technique consistently for a long time. And after that, you will get the results. Because I don't believe in shortcuts. I will not tell you that I will make you fluent in 20 days or 21 days. It's not going to work. Well guys, thanks a lot. If you like my video, please give a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching and goodbye.